and welcome to this video. Today you're going to learn how to make banana bread. So we're going to be making banana bread cupcakes. So what you need: 2 eggs, half a cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of mashed bananas, 1 3/4 cups oatmeal flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, this is optional, and the other add-ins you can put in if you want to, half cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or raisins. The first thing you need to do, preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. The next thing you need to do is get the oatmeal flour ready. So measure 2 1/4 cups of oats and then blenderize for about a minute. You will find that once you blenderize the oats, you do not need all of the blenderized oats for 1 3/4 cups of oatmeal flour. There will be extra. The third thing you need to do is get the bananas ready. So the recipe says you need to get 1 cup of bananas mashed. We use 2 medium and 2 small. And these bananas need to be ripe, so if they're not ripe, then heat them in the oven with the skins on for about 14 minutes. The skins become brown like in the picture. So heating them actually makes it a lot easier to mash them, and you only need to do this on unripe bananas, which are more on the greenish side. The next thing you need to do is get the mixing bowls ready. So in the dry mixing bowl, which is the bowl on the right in the background picture, you need to whisk flour, cinnamon, baking soda, and salt together. And in the wet mixing bowl, which is in the picture on the left, in the left mixing bowl, you need to beat eggs, oil, honey, milk until it looks like the bowl in the picture on the left. So it needs to look like that. Then you need to stir in the mashed bananas, and finally pour the dry mixed ingredients into the wet mixed ingredients. If you have add-ins like chocolate chips or raisins, stir those in. And this is what the texture looks like when you're done mixing everything together. I didn't really add any add-ins, so you can't really see them. So that's what it looks like. And the final step, the baking. So you need to pour the mixed batter into either a cupcake tray, which is what I did, and the baking time is 16 minutes, or you can pour the batter into a 955 greased pan, and the baking time is 50 to 55 minutes. So when you're done with baking, if a toothpick is pressed in, it should come out clean, or if you touch it, it should be spongy like shown in the video. And that's basically all you need to do. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I got this recipe originally from GimmeDelicious.com. She has a whole lot of very delicious recipes. So go check it out. Also, I'd like to hear about your experience with this recipe, so leave a comment below. And the link to the original recipe is in the description box. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and like and subscribe.